Okay.
What I need to do, we will send you confirmation letter within 24 hours by post at your doorstep. But before, we have to complete my small verification part. So is that your number 01516 not your number?
No.
Sir, I repeat once again, okay sir? 1516.
No, that's not my number.
Sir, you remember your number, sir?
0151.
Sir, you remember your number?
Yes.
You just confirm me your number once again.
0151 608 12.
6082.
No. 0151
Okay. Yes.
608
Yes.
1203.
It's 1233, right?
Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely perfect, sir. And sir, your postcode is C for Charlie, H for Hotel. Is that correct?
Yes.
Absolutely perfect. And sir, your address is number correct?
Yes.
So, sir, as I can see our database, you are paid your bill through direct debit. Is that correct, sir?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Sir, as I can see our database, you are paid your bill through direct debit. Is that correct?
No.
Okay, so how to pay your bill?
At the post office?
Post office. Okay. So, sir, that is not a problem, sir. Already verified your address, your postcode, and your phone number. So, sir, you will get discount offer. But before that, in that case, now for verification purpose, could you please confirm me, sir, you have any kind of bank account like Lloyds, Halifax, Barclays, Santander?
Yes.
Which bank you are used normally?
The Bank of Africa.
Sorry?
The Bank of Africa?
It's of Africa.
Yeah, the Bank of Africa.
Okay, I'm just checking my site. Yes, sir, your bank is Bank of Africa, right?
That is correct.
Okay. And sir, who is the main account holder? You or anybody else?
Somebody else.
Okay. So sir, now for verification purpose, could you please confirm me your last name?
Jones, Jones.
Jones, Jones. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Why do you not have my name if you're from BT? You said you were from British Telecom?
So, sir, yes. Because sir, actually what happened, sir, you are paid your bill on time and you are very longest customer. That's the reason, sir, your account selected for discount, right? So that's the reason today I'm calling you, right, sir?
So what was the discount you said at the beginning of the call?
I'm sorry?
What was the discount you said at the beginning of the call?
Sir, you will get 35% discount, also 3-month line rental absolutely free, right?
Okay, from British Telecom.
Yes.
Okay.
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 So, sir, you are using sir Bank of Africa, right?
That's correct.
Okay. Sir, only sir Bank of Africa or United Bank of Africa?
Yeah, Bank of Africa.
It's Bank of Africa.
Yes. In London.
It's London, okay? I'm just checking my site. Yes, sir, absolutely perfect, sir. It's Bank of Africa in London.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. So, sir, already is verification almost done. So, already verified your name, your address, your postcode, and your phone number, right? And sir, I repeat once again your phone number, and your phone number is 0151633. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. Okay, I'm just checking my site. Yes, sir, absolutely perfect, sir. And sir, Mr. Jones is the main account holder, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay. You just hold on 1 second, sir.
Okay.
But sir, yes, your Bank of Africa, right, sir? Bank of Africa, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. But sir, is London, is current address is London, right?
Yes.
Okay, just hold on 1 second. I'm just checking my site because, sir, you know there is 35% discount offer, so you have to complete my verification part, right, sir? So that's the reason, sir.
Okay, and you're from British Telecom, yeah, BT, yeah?
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, if you don't mind, sir, please confirm me, sir. Sir, confirm me address, sir. Bank of Africa, London address.
Yes, it's number 1, The Mall.
It's sorry, number 1.
Yeah, number 1, The Mall. TheMall. The Mall.
THE, then MALL, right?
Yes, that's right, The Mall. The Mall.
Then
Would you like the postcode?
yes, sir. Yes, is the postcode postcode is confirmed, sir?
Yes. SW1A 1AA.
Sorry, sir.
S for Sierra, W for Whiskey,
Yes,
1,
yes,
A for Alpha,
yes.
1AA.
A for alpha and A for alpha. Is that okay?
Yes, that's right. SW1A 1AA.
Yes, sir. Absolutely perfect. Always verified, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, 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 sir. Already verified. So, sir, as I can see our database, sir, your Bank of Africa card number also registered, right, sir? So do one thing, sir. You just be handy with your card, okay?
Okay, I'll be handy with my card, yes?
You just be handy with your card, okay, sir?
Yes, I'll be handy with my card, yes.
Okay, you just look your Bank of Africa front side. Can you see long digit card number?
Yes.
So now for verification purpose, could you please confirm me, sir?
Sorry, say that again.
So now for verification purpose, could you please confirm me your card number so I can cross check my end? Is that correct or not?
Yeah, don't you have my card? I thought you had my card number.
Yes, sir. Already I have, right, sir? So that's the reason, sir. You just confirm me. Can you see long digit card number?
Yes, well, can you tell me the last 4 numbers from the card?
I'm sorry?
You have my card number there, do you?
Yes, already I have, right, sir?
Okay.
Sir, you just confirm me, sir.
Yes, so you tell me the last 4 numbers of the card.
Okay, sir.
Hello, are you still there?